starting today on Panoramata.co, you're going to be able to track the Instagram accounts of your competitors on top of everything we already offer, on top of tracking their emails, their ads, their landing pages. It's super simple. Let me show you how it works. Here on your dashboard, you can already see everything that's happening in your market in just a few scrolls. Let's take a few companies to see the data that we're gathering on them. So if you're using Panoramata already, you know that each tab here is going to give you access to different kind of data on your competitors. You're going to see the amount of posts, the engagement rate, the amount of followers, and if their Instagram account is growing or not. For all the Instagram accounts, of course, we'll collect the asset and you'll be able to, for instance, here, search with any keyword you'd like to see. Or sort your search to make so you can only look at the posts that had the most likes or the most comments. For each post, we're going to highlight the hashtags that they're using. And of course, whether they're carousel images or videos, you're going to be able to track them all. You can then quickly compare your engagement rate versus the ones of your competitors. And of course, if they have several Instagram accounts, you can track them all. And right away pass from one to the other and see what they're doing. All right, that was it for today. That was it for this update, the launch of Instagram account tracker on Panoramata. Soon enough on the platform, of course, you're going to be able to benchmark them, search, and we have a whole new set of features that are going to be developed from this. But we're already super proud as a team to make sure that this data point is available for you within your account right now. If you have any question, any doubt, don't hesitate. We're here to help. Wherever you are in the world, have an amazing day. Take care. Bye-bye.